In this lecture, we will learn how to install the ArgoCD CLI on our system to access the ArgoCD server deployed in a Kubernetes cluster when installing ArgoCD. So first of all, to install the ArgoCD CLI, we open a browser and we search for install ArgoCD CLI. And then we go here to the first link. When we click on this link, we will be redirected to the first page of the documentation of ArgoCD, where we find the description for installing the ArgoCD CLI. So you will find here the instructions that you have to follow to install ArgoCD either on Linux or on Mac. So this section describes how to install the ArgoCD CLI on a Mac system, or if you want to install ArgoCD on Windows, just you have to scroll down, and here you will find the instructions that you have to follow to install the ArgoCD CLI on a Windows system. But for now, let's go back to the first section that describes how to install ArgoCD on a Linux system. So to install ArgoCD on a Linux system, we can do that using the curl command. And what we have to do is to execute these three commands, okay? So first of all, we will download the latest release of ArgoCD using curl. And then we will install ArgoCD in this directory. And finally, the third command will remove the file used to install ArgoCD, okay? So to install the ArgoCD CLI, what we have to do is to copy and execute these three commands, okay? But for me, I have already installed the ArgoCD CLI, so I will cancel the installation. So if we type ArgoCD and then we press enter, it will give us the commands that we can use to work with ArgoCD, okay? So here we have the commands that we can execute. For example, we can use the app command to manage the ArgoCD applications. We can use the appset command to manage application sets. We can use the cluster command to manage the clusters, and the same for the remaining commands, okay? For example, if we want to log in to ArgoCD from the terminal, we can use the ArgoCD login command. So let's test that. So if we execute ArgoCD login --help, if we scroll up, so here we will find the usage of this command. So we have to execute ArgoCD login followed by the ArgoCD server, okay? So if you execute kubectl get services, we want to get the services that are available in the ArgoCD namespace. So here are the services that are part of the ArgoCD namespace, okay? To access the ArgoCD server using the ArgoCD CLI, I will forward the port 8080 to the port 80 of the ArgoCD server service, okay? So let's open a new terminal. So we will forward the port 8080 to the port 80 of the ArgoCD server service using the kubectl port forward command, followed by the name of the service, which is ArgoCD server, followed by the namespace in which this service was created, which is ArgoCD. And finally, we want to forward the port 8080 to the port 80. Now let's try to access the ArgoCD server using the ArgoCD CLI. So we will execute ArgoCD login, followed by the ArgoCD server, which will be now localhost, followed by the port number, which is 8080. Okay, so after forwarding the port 8080 to the port 80 of the ArgoCD server, now we can access the ArgoCD server from localhost, followed by the port 8080. So now let's press enter. Now we have to decide if we want to proceed insecurely. I will choose yes. Then we have to enter the username, which is admin, and finally the password. And finally, we have logged in successfully to the ArgoCD server. Now we can start managing everything in ArgoCD, including the applications, the projects, the clusters from and using the ArgoCD CLI. Okay, so for example, if we execute ArgoCD applist, it will list the applications that are created in ArgoCD, and we can see the subcommands that we can use with the ArgoCD app command using the -- help option. So if we scroll up, so look here, we can create an application using the create command. We can delete an application, we can edit or get an application. We can list all the applications that are created in ArgoCD. Okay, so we can do everything using the ArgoCD CLI. The same for the ArgoCD projects. So if we execute ArgoCD project list, so here it will list all the projects that are created or that are available in ArgoCD. Okay, so by default we will have a project called default. That's why here we see this project. Okay, the default project. So this project will be created automatically when installing ArgoCD. We can list also the clusters that are configured in ArgoCD using ArgoCD cluster list. So look here, we have only one cluster, which is the current cluster where ArgoCD is installed. So until now we have only one cluster. Of course, we can create or add other clusters, either using the ArgoCD CLI or using the ArgoCD web UI. And finally, to log out from ArgoCD, we can do that using ArgoCD logout command, followed by the ArgoCD server. In our case, it is localhost, followed by the port 8080. So now when we press enter, we will be logged out from ArgoCD. So this message tells us that we are logged out from this ArgoCD server. So that's how we can install and work with the ArgoCD CLI. I hope that everything is clear, and we will continue in the upcoming lectures. So that's it for now, and thank you very much.